In the latest in a series of protests against the US drone attacks in Pakistan, an anti-United States rally was held on Saturday in Shergar, some 70 kilometers from the capital city Peshawar. During the rally, organized by Islami Jamiyat Talba, large number of students from different regions of northwest frontier of Pakistan carried banners and placards and chanted anti-United States slogans to express resentment at US attacks. They have so far killed more than 800 people, including a considerable number of civilians in the tribal regions of Pakistan. As activists say, besides drone attacks on the tribal belt of Pakistan, United States security company Blackwater is active inside Pakistan and is responsible for the ongoing unrest.
वजीरिस्तान पर ड्रोन अटैक्स हो रहे हैं और
The US drone attacks and the activities of Blackwater inside Pakistan amounts to a criminal meddling in the internal affairs of Pakistan. They want to destabilize our country. We demand that they should stop these activities.
People from all walks of life later joined the rally, which became a strong message to the government to tackle the issue.
We demand our government to stop the drone attacks and also stop the activities of American agency Blackwater in our country. We will continue to hold demonstration as long as there is American involvement in internal affairs of Pakistan.
However, publicly the government of Pakistan has repeatedly protested these attacks, saying they are an infringement of the sovereignty of the country. The unending US drone attacks on Pakistani soil is seen as an intervention into Pakistani territory, which has created an anti-American mood among the public. People are now calling on the government to take a strong stand against the United States. Zahid Hussain, Press TV, Peshawar, Shergar.